guys, it's Ika, aka, and today is Vlog Aesthetic 2 Part 2. So I just do a twisty thingies in my hair. And right now I wanna do my homework. And we got my sister do her homework too. Oh my god, it's not focused. Okay. If my face then not focusing, sorry, because I don't know. Okay, so right now I want to do my homework. This is a heavy book, heavy bag. Okay, so I got a lot of slime this day, and where is it? I got it in my bag. Hold on. There. Oh my god. Oh no! The cups is open. Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad, guys. The cup just open and the slime just. Oh. Oh, it's thick. It's thick. It's thick. It's very sticky. Smells like cocoa powder. Okay, it smells like cocoa powder, and if you hear kind of plastic sounds, it was my cat. Stop it. Okay, so I just want to show you some of my slime collection right now. So maybe the title will be, maybe I don't know what I put on the title yet. Okay, so maybe the title gonna be Vlog Hashtag 2 Part 2 Slime Collection. That's the title basically. Oh yeah, and I really love this one. Oh, and I am okay. So I don't know when do I put a tutorial of how to make clay slime, because I need to search new recipe. Because for this recipe, it's kind of need a lot of measure. So if you're not using clay, then you need to use kind of like flour. So you can use a masker for face, and you need to use the one with the powder. Like you have to make your own with powder in it. But I don't have that thing. So I decided to search another way, which I'm gonna try maybe tomorrow if there's no order. Because there's a lot of order. I cannot use my glue if there's a lot of order in it. So I'm gonna try to use whipped cream, because whipped cream is kind of whippy, but this one is not a whipped cream that's already being a whipped cream. It's like a powder. My cat just wanna get it. She's just gonna open it, maybe. Okay, so like the powder that we add cold water and then mix it with a mixer together for about a minute or 5 minutes. But I'm just using the powder. So first, my slime collection was hot chocolate slime. This is being my favorite slime because it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Smells like hot chocolate and made with real hot chocolate. Comment down below if you want a tutorial of that or not. But in another comment, I'm just gonna upload it maybe a while ago. This is a hard thing to make the sense of the hot chocolate without putting too much hot chocolate to it. You know what I mean? It's so hard. Like, when I make this, I failed. And then I combine it with a, what is that? Okay, I combine it with my milky slime. Then it's turned into right there. Okay, so the next thing I have is this red velvet slime. This red velvet slime, it's just because of the color. So don't worry guys, I'm not using the real velvet cake for this. It's just because of the color. And it's very stretchy and it's soft and it's like a liquid and I got two of that. Here's one and here's two. It's not pretty messy because I put it in my bag of like 2 days. And this is not sticky at all. But like when you put it slowly and pick it up slowly, it feels good. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna do part 3 because my battery is gonna turn off for a minute. Okay, so the next slime I have is this slime. Okay, so just hold on for a while. Let me put you in here. The cat is for you. Okay, so the next slime I have is this. Ow! My cat's just scratching me. Okay, so this is sweet pink slime. It's color hot pink or shock pink.
Hot pink.
Yeah, or pink or dark pink, whatever. And this is like, I make this one a lot because it's ordered by my friend, but she not comes today. And I save it and play it for a while. It's very stretchy too. Look at that. And it's color, you can order every color. But it's still called sweet pink. But she's ordered holy slime. So this is the same recipe of holy slime. Except we are using pink color. So, but there's something sounds over here. So this is sounds not really loud. Okay, and sorry if this video is long because I have a ton of slime collection, but not too much, guys. Okay, so the next slime I have. Oh yeah, and we got another red velvet slime here. It's more pinkish. It's very stretchy. And it's moldable, and it's holdable, and it's soft. Okay, on to the next one. I have 4 red colors here. It's a sky blue foam slime. It's really, I make it with foam, but then the foam is gone. Look at that. It's not like a foam. But it's soft. It's just super good. I love it. Oh my god, my cats just go to the couch. Okay, it's not very stretchy. It's like holy slime. And if you don't know what is holy slime, Like I always speak how to make sponge holy slime, how to make holy slime, blah blah blah. Well, holy slime is a brand of slime that stretchy and hard and not. It's soft, but it's hard, like hard. Hold on, what is this dirty stuff? Okay, that's okay. Okay, so it's a brand. As I say, it's hard, but it can clean like the side of your window, of your wall. It can like
Bottom.
like this. If this thing is dirty, you can just stick it and then take it up, and then it's dirt just come out, and the dirt from our hands also come out. Okay, on to the next slime. We've got this. Oh, I'm very sorry. Mister, you back. And let me show you my cutest kitties ever. It's down here. And she's tough. She's suckling to my dog. My dog's suckling this kitten. And this name is Vanilla Latte. No, it's my sister's name, and she's playing with my hair. So onto the slime collection, we've got this light purple with a pink and with a red and blue glitter. It's just, I don't know what it's named. It's just galaxy slime that we mix together, and then it's turned into this slime, and we combine it with a pale slime, and it's something like this jelly, gooey stuff. Look at that. It's kind of just jelly. It's super duper soft, you guys. Oh yeah, and this is the slime that I use for make special glue on my video. It's not like glue, but when you stretch it, it can be clear. And I love it. Okay, so on to the last slime. Okay, so we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slime package. This is the last one. It's the clay slime. And this clay slime is super watery or something. And it smells really bad. It's hard. It's not stretchy. Actually, when you make a slime with a clay slime, like with a clay, it should be stretchy, like super stretchy. But I don't know about this one. It's because I put too much flour or something. It sounds good, but it's too hard. So I'm gonna make a tutorial of it, I think. Okay, so that's all of my slime collection. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also see the other video I've done. And comment down below what you think about this video. Also comment down below for requesting what should I do in the next video. And oh my dear. Okay, so follow my Instagram at Ellen_Verica and follow my sister Instagram at Christy. Put that bear, I think. I forgot. And my brother just got home. He's over there. And he's wet because it's raining today. So yeah, thanks again you guys. Bye bye. Say bye bye, no name.
Oh my god, just.
Oh really?
That's awesome.
Oh my god. Oh my dear. Okay, so bye. It's been 15 minutes. Look, it's in my bag.